to
Flip phone diary.
I have a flip phone.
Unfortunately, I do not at the moment.
We want to rectify this situation, so we have come to a place where they tell us they make the best phones.
The Apple Store.
Let's go and find ourselves a flip phone then. Come on. It's
Very brief, because I always as much fun as this is.
we're looking for a phone for my friend, one that opens like this. Unfortunately not. Tushar, this isn't looking like the spot. I think we're going to have to rethink our plan.
We'll head out.
Where are we going to head?
We're going to head to the street. Dalston.
Let's do it.
Here at Dalston Market, on the hunt for a flip phone, but I'm not quite sure. A lot of fresh fruit here. Will they be selling a flip phone? Looking to buy another phone like this. Do you know where I can get one?
Yeah, 1980. Okay, still selling.
Hey man, do you sell flip phones? Yeah, this one. Do you know where I can get one? Hello. Do you sell phones? Phones, yeah. Looking for a particular type of phone, flip phone.
The flip ones are the old ones though.
Oh,
Don't bring them.
yeah,
The flipper, yeah.
I prefer the word retro.
Check the high street.
Alright.
Banana, Rihanna, banana. Nicki Minaj.
Still a bit much.
Let's get a little sound test going.
No, there's no.
I caught on my phone, yeah. Don't blame the tool, blame the user. Oh, there we go. How much does this 40 down? Can you do lower than 40?
He's
39.99.
We've got a lot of smart tech, but do they have flip tech? Looking promising.
ooh,
Oh, Doro. Okay.
ooh. Wasn't that other geezer trying to ship that one for 60?
60 quid.
Sir, this is what I'm currently rocking. What do you think of that?
You trying to sell?
Are you trying to buy? Why do you want a flip phone?
I've had enough of the smartphone, my friend. I've had enough. I need a dumb phone. I picked the flip phone up. Perfect. Okay. Cool. How much is this for? 25.
It says was 25 Tish. Sorry mate. Tish, you are living in the past.
You have no idea how many shops I visited looking for the right one. This is it.
So on a late plate, him bake got Bowie banging in the tape. Big brick Nokia, man playing snake. I see that yellow bone, she got mad yellow cake.
It looks like
It looks neat.
Dragon Tobago.
It looks small. It's light.
You like it?
Yeah, it's light.